haven't seen this show, It's Set to Be a Bug, in forever. And I heard they're going to want to change it soon. But you know what? I got to get over here and check it out. And the wait line's really short, only like 10 minutes. I think it plays continuously. So, show you the queue line. A very beautiful area, which I do not see very often. You'll see lots of pretty cool animals carved into that thing. It's not actually wood, just in case if you're wondering. Interestingly, this is supposed to be like an upside down oil rig, you know, the ones they put in the ocean? From my understanding, that's like part of one. I think I'll show you the whole queue line and everything. Got a little hidey hole places. It's Set to Be a Bug is a theoretical journey into a bug's world of features of venomous insects, loud noises, and a whole bunch of other cool stuff. I bet you we're coming on to our first animals. Is that a bear? And a gorilla?
The tree of life opportunity to mark out the bugs ready to present their show is Set to Be a Bug. We let remind everyone that our show contains loud noises and darkness special effects between business and viewer. Please see tree of life with filters for additional information. You're looking to finish getting facts of every center outside our keys. Please go through the screen on your lobby. If you make your way to an exit strategy, please stay close to the front of you. Keep her together. If you become separated, you may be in different shows. Also, if you travel, you'll wheelchair like a
Cast member making a not very hidden Mickey.
Thank you, enjoy the
There's lots more cool animals on there. Tunnel, spooky. Oh, there's a little elephant and a rhino. It's kind of cool trying to spot all the different animals on here. I forget what that's called. There's a bird. There's a couple more monkeys. Some bugs. Of course, some cool posters for some different fake shows like the Dung Brothers. Definitely a fairly long queue line. But we're going to keep going. Some littler monkeys and lemurs. There's a bigger one. Cool.
We're going to come right up here. Is it just two of us?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. And we want to stay in the scooter or transfer to one of the theater seats. Okay.
This way.
It's pretty cool.
So we're going to go up to where the carpet is.
Okay.
On the carpet.
Yeah.
Give me a little room. Oh, yeah.
Nice.
Okay. Oh.
We're going right there in the doorway. And if we want to be in charge of the glasses for me, those two.
I forgot about this. Yeah, it's been forever. You use 3D glasses, I forgot to mention that. Wow, look how cool this is.
I'm going to have you park right here.
Just like I remember. Awesome.
Yes.
Yeah, you're good. You're good. Okay. Perfect. Oh. Awesome. Here. Here's your glasses. But we get 3D glasses. Put mine on.
Throughout today's performance, please refrain from buzzing, stinging, and pollinating. And no chirping. Thank you. And now, put your wings together for the host of our show, everyone's favorite act, Flik.
Fireflies! Fireflies! Come here! Over here. Whales! Whales! Little more. Little more. Little less. Perfect. Oh, and hi, hello, and welcome. Welcome to our show. You know, we've been doing this act for over 300 million years. And with bugs making up more than 80% of the animal world, we're the biggest cast of them all. Still, you guys just don't seem to see us. So, that's why we gave you those special bug eyes. Go ahead, put them on. Neat, huh? Yeah, no, now you're all honorary bugs, so, on with the show. Okay, thanks, little fella. You're done now. Huh? Let that. Yeah, thank you. Take it from an ant. It's tough to be a bug. That's why we've developed some amazing survival techniques. For instance, deep in the jungles of South America, there's a bug. Well, technically he's an arachnid, you see. And Chili, I really hate when you do that. I really I hate.
Oh, I'm sorry, Flik.
Where was I? Yes, Chilean tarantulas, like my friend Chili here, throw poison quills at their enemies with deadly accuracy.
I never miss.
This is
Paul! Come on, keep on coming! Chili's on a roll! Hey! What are you guys trying to pull? Listen up, my aunt! Hold still! Back up! Okay, Captain, look what's going on. You miss! No one makes a fool of Jimmy, man! Come back here and die like a bug!
Alright, well, our next guest is a soldier termite who defends his mound by spraying intruders with acid. That's right, acid. Welcome now, he's buff, he's ready, and he's ruining our set. You know, we have other shows to do.
I am a lean, defensive machine. I am the terminator. Oh no? I detect more intruders.
No, they're not intruders. No, they're honorary bugs.
No, intruders must be terminated. No exceptions. Oh shoot, I need more ammo. I'll be back.
Oh, is everybody all right up there? Oh. I hope that none of you are allergic to acid. Oh my. Best to move along. All right, our next guest. Let's meet the silent but deadly member of the bug world, the stink bug.
Target's ready, Flik.
All right. Oh, just a second. Let it rip, Claire.
Hey! Back here, man! No way! You'll never catch me!
Take cover! She's gonna blow!
Blow! Who's gonna blow?
Oh boy. Lay off the churros, will ya? Oh, I'm sorry.
Flik. What are these humans wearing on their heads?
Oh, I made the honorary bugs.
Honorary what? They're our biggest enemy.
No, that's not true. They're my friends.
Friends? Get this loser out of my sight.
Hey!
Bring in the evidence. Friends don't exterminate friends, do they? Still don't get it? Well, then watch this. You humans have always seen us as monsters. If you had it your way, you would destroy us all. But you never will, because we outnumber you 200 million to 1. Maybe it's time you honorary bugs got a taste of your own medicine. What? You're still alive? This means war! What are your stingers and attack? I'm going in for the sting! You're over your target, Black Widow Spider! Jump! Back off, spiders! They're mine. Bug bombs, zappers, sticky little motels. Nothing can stop us. Ha! Nothing!
What do we do now? Bring up the next act. He refuses to come out of his cocoon.
Well, we'll just have to wait, huh?
Cue the finale.
Did I forget to mention reptiles? Well, they just don't seem to care that it's tough to be a bug. But you guys should, because we make your world one honey of a place. We're pollinators! We're pollinators!
If you like vegetables, flowers, it makes you like bugs.
If it weren't for the fact that we like the taste, you'd be out there wallowing in shoulder highways. Shoulder highways.
And if all bugs were wiped off the face of the planet, then soon be no humans around here to panic. The best thing about us, you can't live without us, then it's time to be alive.
It's a piece of cake.
And it's moldy! Well, it still has a few bugs in it, but that's our show. And now that you're all honorary bugs, remember, magnifying glasses are for looking at little things, not for burning little things. See ya! Hey! Hey, little fella! Where should you be?
There?
That's right. Good bug. Good little bug.
Your attention, please. We ask that all honorary bugs remain seated so the beetles, maggots, and cockroaches may exit safely. At this time, gather up your personal belongings and take your small grubs by their grubby little hands as you exit. Thank you.
We're hoping limited stuff to be above. Yeah, they are numbing and they have their biases into the containers just outside the door. Thank you for joining us and enjoy the rest of your day here at the Sea Animal Kingdom Theme Park. The tree of life here after you enter the theater.
Wait. Well, that was cool, guys. That was awesome. Thank you. Takes it to a nice little waterfall. Yeah, it's cool, guys. Let's keep going until we get to the end. But it's always awesome to see those things. It's been forever since, like I said, I've seen that show. It's just how I remember it. But I heard they're going to change that soon, so I definitely want to see it.
Today's celebration, Hollywood is making a special surprise visit. Say hello to our brother bear friends from the north, Coda and Kina.